Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9906XX. 47,000 miles on this Traverse. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blue velvet metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear heat air control to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. /60/40 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Bridges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can even sync smartphones, Pandora or Stitcher radio apps. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Overhead, homely transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Traverse, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.